Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on VIVO X80 Lite. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teenager and then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And here you have to type in your child's email address and then click next. Now you have to enter your child password. And now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Now click on more and accept. And then select your account. Now you have to type in your parent email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to type in your child password again. Now click next. And now scroll down and click next. Now click next again. And here you can click Instant Family Link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually and click on review controls. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.